beast there, you know. So we're about to get a nice oil change. Once again. It's here. So we have 4/4 oil, and we're gonna also flush the radiator and put some antifreeze in it, some coolant, oil it use. Alright, so we just ride it to the shop. Oh yeah, get a new GoPro, so I'm gonna have footage for you guys, you know? So here now, my first gear, putting a neutral. Warm enough though, so we're gonna wait for it to cool down and then take the fairings off. One by one. Yeah, I'm gonna pull off the fairing, right? So, this one look like it's too big. Need a smaller torque. So, let's try this one. This is T27. Still too big. On to the next side. All over here. Right here we also have two of them. Take out. So if you never do an oil change on a BMW S1000RR before,
no, you know how to do it.
so here you go for the belly pan. So here you go for the belly pan. So as you can see, we have the belly pan off right now, and the bike is currently hot, so we're gonna make it cool down and put the oil in. Yeah, 10W40 full synthetic oil, 2018 BMW S1000RR oil change. Now follow, like and subscribe, because we're gonna turn this baby right here fully street legal, meaning we're gonna change the flaring on it, put some new headlights in there, some new tires, you know, put some tail lights in it, and a lot of updates. Just follow, like and subscribe. Yeah, so as far as the oil change right now, what we're gonna do right now is locate where the filter is. So right here you have your filter right here, and as you can see, we got safety pins on it right now, because when you're at the racetrack you have to put these things on it. So let's say if the oil filter comes off by mistake, you know, it's there to catch it. And also we have it hooked up to the oil plug as well. So alright, Let's go. Here you go, guys. Huh? Here you go. Plug is out. Put it right there. And gonna make the oil drain. Alright, so viewers and subscribers, I was having a little issue. So right here, as you can see, in here, the previous owner messed it up. So I had to go up a size. I'm supposed to use the T45. I had to use the T50. Yeah, and a hammer it up in it just to get it loose. So yeah, almost had a long night, but you know, so as we here right now, we're letting the oil drain, and then you know, we're gonna remove the filter. So tune in. Back to this. So normally I'd use some foil paper, but I'm at my boy shop right now. You don't have no foil paper, so you know, I forget use with hand and make fashion. That's what my grandmother would have said. And time to take this off right here. So alright. Back to this. So normally I'd use some foil paper, but I'm at my boy shop right now. You don't have no foil paper, so you know, I forget use with hand and make fashion. That's what my grandmother would have said. And as you can see, our plastic bag is working, doing its job. Understand? Yeah. Honestly, to me the oil wasn't that bad. Wasn't that dirty, you know. Just purchased the bike, so oil is cheap, engine isn't. Yes. Don't know if these guys used to abuse the bike. So as we stay so now, I let the oil drip. Put some new oil in there. Alright. So as you guys can see right now, make the oil drain out. And a little plastic bag mechanism held up well, if you ask me. Let's put this over here for right now. We're gonna pick it up later. Lot of mess right here, as you guys can see. So right now, gonna get our filters out right now. So right here we have original BMW filter with even a brand new, you know what. Alright, you always want to replace this, okay? Yeah, this is the old one, goes on the plug. Doesn't look like anything is wrong with it, but you always want to replace it, always. So I put the new one on, and gonna put our filter on it. Before we put our filter on the bike, we're gonna prime it, put a little bit of oil in it, okay? Alright, prime it up, turn the frame. Clean it up nice. I'm sure so. Everything look good right there.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. You always want to unscrew it first, you know? Make sure it's nice and snug under there. Right? And then after, we're gonna use our tightening tool. Tighten it. One, two. Just want to make sure it's nice and snug under there. Alright, that's it.
Now.
Yeah.
And you always want to make sure you unscrew it. Alright. So as you can see, zoom out a little bit. Everything look good. Right here, everything look good. Let's just tighten this. Right. Right now, time to pour in the oil.
You guys can see.
On the background and the surrounding and the music, you should know I'm Jamaican. I'm straight from Jamaica, you see me? Yeah. Like and subscribe to the channel. And I'm here to show you that nothing is hard once you put your mind to it. Because this right here would cost me like 160 at the shop just for an oil change, and the oil only probably cost me like $50. So you do the maths, save like $110 plus tax. Anyway, money get there. Easy. Gotta go. Alright. So a three quart that. No, the bike don't really take 4 quarts enough. Take like 3.5. Almost 4. So we're gonna look at the level. To check it out. It's the lever right here. Gonna bring it up a little bit. Right, so filter now. Alright, my boss. So everything is good. So battery died on the phone. So now moment to show. Check for leaks, no leaks, everything is good. So, as you can see, everything is everything. This is all you change oil on your BMW S1000RR. Tune in till next time, yeah?